Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
1902. In the early 1900s, electric fans first appeared in U.S. homes. The air conditioner was finally invented in 1902. The modern air conditioner was invented by Willis Carrier in 1902, and textile mill engineer Stuart Kramer was the first to coin the term air conditioning in 1906.
Let's help you make your mark.
Packard. The 1940 Packard was the first car to offer factory-installed air conditioning. By 1969, more than half of all new cars sold were equipped with AC. Some brands affixed window decals to promote their air-conditioned automobiles.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.